run the unit and then we want to make people smile through the power of music. Keep them in the sun.
Сандеру Стас. Юрчик.
kita masih mengatau arah tujuan kata bisa boleh bisa dari dunia berubah
This is the first time that I'll be performing, so it's like a demo for me. I just feel great that I was able to execute yung pinag-practice ko.
Thank you so much for performing like that.
First time performer! Alright, so now here's a little special question for you. So, this question was sent to us by Radiant Noble Sun. Who would it be? The question is, Adonis-kun, I know you and my Jun-kun like to work out together. What are your favorite exercises to do?
And if you can sample them.
That's all I have. Please answer.
Well, just like Adonis, I used to do track and field, so I do running. Yeah, but since medyo busy na tayo, hindi ko na siya nagagawa. But I go to the gym during my free time to work out.
Oh, okay, that's
so,
nice.
2026 though. Yeah.
That's very helpful. Thank you